Welcome to this explainer. We rarely stop to think about the massive amount of science, discipline, and sheer coordination that goes into building a home. Let's be real for a second. Building a house is constantly ranked as one of the most stressful experiences you can go through. But today we're going to unpack the premium engineering philosophy and the highly meticulous processes over at Bhavikatti Constructions and see exactly how they completely flip that script. We're going to break down step by step how they take those complex architectural blueprints and turn them into a secure physical reality without the usual headaches.
To really grasp their approach, we have to start right at the foundational ethos. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕೆಂದರೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಯೋಜನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಕೆಲಸವೇ ಮೊದಲ ಆದ್ಯತೆ. It's a powerful statement, right? It essentially means that if you want to build a truly good home, excellent planning and top-tier quality work absolutely must be your first priority. A great home doesn't just magically rise from the dirt by chance. It demands exceptional foresight. It's a bold, uncompromising declaration that puts engineering integrity above everything else.
And this mindset directly tackles a huge problem in the construction world. A shocking number of people suffer from what you could call accidental quality. Pouring the concrete, crossing your fingers, and just hoping it all turns out okay. Well, Bhavikatti Constructions completely rejects that idea. For them, quality is never an accident. It is the deliberate, calculated result of proper planning, using high-grade materials and relentless expert supervision. It's the stark difference between rolling the dice and having absolute, engineered peace of mind.
Now, what I find really fascinating is the sheer spectrum of their clientele across Karnataka. We aren't just talking about individual homeowners building their dream houses, though that is obviously a massive focus for them. Their standards are actually so rigorous that their work scales all the way up to commercial building owners and large-scale land developers. Get this, even other architects and contractors hire them. When a construction firm is trusted by other industry professionals to execute a vision, that is a massive green flag that their technical foundation is rock solid.
Okay, so let's dive into the technical leadership driving all of this. Consulting civil engineer Abubakar Bhavikatti. With a diploma in public health engineering and a bachelor of engineering in civil, he brings some serious academic weight to the table. But listen, a degree is just a piece of paper until you actually apply it in the real world, right? His reputation is built on getting out of the office, providing expert, hands-on site supervision, and delivering the kind of technical guidance that stops costly mistakes before they even have a chance to happen.
Picture the scene on site for a moment. You've got Abubakar walking the grounds, white safety helmet, reflective vest, safety boots, and blueprints firmly in hand. This isn't just about looking the part, it's a powerful symbol of hands-on technical authority. It sends a very clear message to the client. The person in charge isn't hiding behind a desk. They are literally boots on the ground, actively enforcing safety compliance and uncompromising quality standards directly where the work is happening.
Which brings us to a massive operational promise. ಪ್ರತಿ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲೂ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ, ಸರಿಯಾದ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಬಳಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬದ್ಧತೆ. This is their strict commitment to rigorous quality checks at absolutely every single step of the build. It means using the exact right materials and finishing the work on time, no excuses. It's a comprehensive guarantee that completely eliminates the worst parts of construction, those infuriating delays and dangerous corner cutting.
So how do they actually pull this off? They rely on a relentlessly strict four-step on-site inspection process. First up, step 1, verifying the steel reinforcement. This is the literal skeleton of your building. Step 2 is column alignment, because honestly, if your columns are even a fraction of an inch off, your structural integrity is shot. Step 3 is shuttering, perfectly preparing the molds. And finally, step 4, the actual concrete work. By micromanaging these 4 fundamental elements, they make sure the final structure is basically flawless.
Now imagine taking all that intense engineering and zooming out. Picture a beautiful construction site right at sunrise, captured in sweeping drone shots, with workers expertly assembling these massive RCC or reinforced cement concrete structures. That golden sunrise, it perfectly represents a fresh, completely stress-free beginning for the homeowner. And those wide, cinematic views really showcase the absolute transparency and the premium large-scale nature of the work they do.
But the ultimate goal of all this technical rigor is actually highly emotional. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿ, ಬಲಿಷ್ಠವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಂಬಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. They are promising to build your dream home safely, strongly, and with unwavering trust. Notice how they blend those hard engineering terms, like safely and strongly, with the deeply human element of trust. They get that for you. This isn't just a noisy site full of steel and dust. It's a lifelong dream coming true.
That exact emotional connection is captured perfectly in their motto, building trust, delivering quality. It really hits the nail on the head regarding what it means to be an elite engineer.
You aren't just handing over a building, you are delivering quality. And by consistently delivering that quality through expert supervision, you organically build unshakable trust. Every single time Abubakar and his team step onto a site, it's a renewed commitment to safety, strength, and pure excellence.
And all of that, the site visits, the meticulous steel inspections, the perfectly aligned columns, it all culminates in one incredible moment, the handover. This is the ultimate payoff. All the complex, chaotic dust and noise of the construction phase instantly transforms into a pristine, premium modern space. A happy family finally receives their keys. It's a space of comfort and security, totally validated by the world-class engineering that went into it.
As we wrap up this explainer, we're left with a very direct, provocative question. Nima kanasan manige badra adipaya beke? Bhavikatti Constructions, building trust, delivering quality. Does your dream home have a secure, strong foundation? By stepping up as the definitive answer, they're reminding us all of the immense value of expert technical guidance. Because a house is truly only as good as the foundation it sits on.
If you're listening to this and you're ready to turn your own architectural blueprints into a reality, there is a direct lifeline to construction excellence. You can reach Abubakar's office in Hunagund right at this number, 70199-70644. Based on everything we've just unpacked about their rigorous quality checks, this isn't just a phone number. It's a direct connection to total peace of mind for your next major project.
So, I want to leave you with one final thought to ponder today. When you look ahead at your own construction plans, ask yourself this. Is your dream home being built on a foundation of guaranteed quality, or is it being left entirely to chance? As we've clearly seen from Bhavikatti Constructions, true quality is never an accident. It takes expertise, it takes rigorous planning, and it takes an unwavering commitment to getting it right. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you in the next one.